and today my dog is going to tell me what art supplies to use when I draw Zero from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Hope you enjoy!
Okay, release the Kraken! Okay. Oh, I think she chose colored pencil. And then, yeah, colored pencil is going to be my medium. It's the Kraken! Okay. So apparently I'm doing it on mid-tone paper with colored pencil and drawing Jack and Sally Skellington. It's the Kraken! Okay, now she's gonna choose, so apparently I'm using fancy colored pencils. And then, yep. So Ruthie gotta have a fun time, so bye. Oh, Ruthie. Are you so happy to be in my room doing art with me? Okay, in honor of Halloween and this My Dog Decides video, then we are doing Zero from The Nightmare Before Christmas. And he is the stinking cutest boy ever. And so, yeah, let's get into it. So this is the completed Zero, and I'm gonna go see what my dog thinks. Okay, she hasn't even seen it yet, and she's already feasting upon the art. Okay. You like it? It's Zero. I think she likes it. Okay, thank you guys for watching so much. Make sure to subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram. And Ruthie here will continue eating my sketchbook. So bye.